What's the meaning of council house? Council house. Council house.
Council house. Council house. A council house is a type of public housing that is owned and maintained by a local government authority. These homes are typically offered to low-income individuals or families who would not otherwise be able to afford private housing. Council houses may be rented or sold to eligible individuals, and they often come with subsidies or other forms of support from the government. While council houses can provide much-needed support for those in need of housing, they have also been criticized for contributing to social segregation and for creating dependency on government assistance.